Ladies and gentlemen, today we're working on 2016 Forester Turbo, and we're gonna place a locked up seat belt on the passenger side. So first things first, got these covers on both sides, don't need to pop up. These things have these rubbers, seals. You can pull those out the way, you can put them on the roof, put them on the door, get them out of your way. This one we'll just put on the seat. Clip on both sides, just pull them open like this and they'll come. It's got the clips. You do not want to break these, they will break. Okay, there's one. Not broken. Two. It's kind of hard with this thing being locked up. What you can do to make it a little easier, you could pull this cover off. Try to pull this off. You could pull this off. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to put back in. But let's go ahead and undo this. There, give us some little more room to get this guy out. Loosen that. There's one more back here. Got it out, but left 3 of them in the. We'll get them out later. Okay, so now let's go ahead and unplug the seatbelt airbag sensor. You might want to unplug your battery just for safety precautions. There's 114 here. I can't get to it with the gun. I gotta do it manually here. Alright, grab your 10. Take this out. Now this was the easy part. The hard part is getting this out. Requires a little bit more work than usual, because this thing runs the whole piston all the way down to here, so might have to just pull this whole entire this cover out of the way. This carpet needs to come back. And you can see the piston sitting right here. It's got a plug right here, needs to come undone. You get behind this black thing and pull it up like that, and then this will come out. You got 114 right here. Don't worry about this. It'll all go back into its place. There you go. Piston's out of the way. Get this guy out. Now what you want to do with the new one, going in. First thing first, this should go back in. It has this, slides into a little slot right here. Right here's a little slot. Make sure you put it in or you're going to fight this thing all the way in. We're going to do the exact same process, but the other way. Make sure this is tight. Don't forget to plug this in. Go in nice and easy like that, and this needs to clip in so it's nice and smooth. If this black thing sticks up a little bit, it's not plugged in all the way, it will cause you problems down the road, I guarantee you. Now you want to put this carpet back as nice as you can. You could remove this seat to do it, but today we're going to cheat and go around it. And there you go. Then what I recommend is putting this back up over here. And what you want to do is this piece make sure it's all untangled. This seatbelt might seem like it doesn't want to work. At a certain angle, it'll work just fine. You got to find the right position for it. Or you can put it on here if you want, or you got to mimic its mounting point for it to keep turning it till we get to, there we go. See how it unlocked? Then hold it at the bottom of your finger like that so it doesn't roll back enough to where you can get this thing to mount up here. You don't want to mount it like this, twisted, so you got to make sure you got it turned. I got a big spaghetti factory. There you go. Hand tight. And then you can bring this down, make sure you unwind it so it's nice and perfect straight. And go ahead and put it in. Okay. Make sure you get this 10 back in here. Once the 10's back in there, go ahead and tighten things up. Okay, that's in. Tighten this 10 back here. So far everything works good. Maybe 14 and tighten this up here. Don't forget to plug this in. Make sure that this is pulled back. And this goes in nice and smooth. Now we gotta move these, put them on the other item. We're gonna put this back while we're at it. There he goes. That works. That's that. We got it all plugged in. I'm gonna grab a clip remover and remove those. Let me put these back in here. These guys don't like me. See what it is, it pulled this a little too much. There we go. Don't put it over this. You need access to this, so you gotta go around it. And what I like to do is pop these. Right here has these. They clip into here. I put those in first. Gives me kind of a guidance. Those are in. If you gotta bang on it for the clips to go in, not a good idea. They should just go pop, 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 really simple and easy. I'm gonna put these back in. On both sides. I put this back in. When pulling these out, you might have got these stuck in the body. These clips. These go right in the here. Put those in. Oh, we got one more right here. Now we can go ahead and put this back in. This is going to be a little difficult without the back seat out, but we're going to attempt it. Oh, there it goes. Nice and snug. There's your seatbelt. Works fine. And that's how you replace the seatbelt in 2016 Forester.